Neoclassical poetry, which emerged in the 17th and 18th centuries, focused on reason, order, and restraint, drawing inspiration from classical works of ancient Greece and Rome. Neoclassical poets valued reason and logic over emotion. They believed poetry should follow clear rules and structure. For instance, Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock uses a strict rhymed couplet form, demonstrating order and clarity in its verse. Neoclassical poets often imitated the works of ancient poets like Homer and Virgil. They believed these classical poets set the standard for excellence. John Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel reflects the epic style of Homer and Virgil. A key feature of neoclassical poetry was satire, where poets mocked or criticized society, politics, or human folly. For example, Pope's The Dunciad uses satire to criticize the decline of literary standards and the rise of poor writers. Neoclassical poems typically followed strict forms like the heroic couplet, pairs of rhyming iambic pentameter lines. Pope's An Essay on Criticism is a great example showcasing neat and formal structure. Neoclassical poets often aim to teach lessons or offer moral guidance. For instance, Pope's The Rape of the Lock is both a satire and a moral lesson about vanity and the consequences of trivial actions. Wit, clever wordplay, and intellectual humor were highly prized during Neoclassical age. In The Rape of the Lock, Pope uses witty language and clever metaphors to make his points about social status and behavior. Neoclassical poetry often focused on human behavior, social norms, and politics, emphasizing universal truths about human nature. For example, in Absalom and Achitophel, Dryden critiques the political situation of the time and the characters involved. Poets valued elegance in language and subject matter, aiming to achieve beauty through refined expression. The tone of Pope's elegy to the memory of an unfortunate lady is a good example of this refined approach. Neoclassical poets believed in exploring themes that were timeless and universal, such as love, honor, and ambition. Dryden's The Medal reflects on the nature of power and the human condition in a way that remains relevant across time. Neoclassical poetry often embraced humanism, which emphasized the importance of human values and dignity. Poets like Pope, through works such as the Essay on Man, reflect on human nature and its place in the world, seeking to understand life through reason and philosophy.